Hello guys, welcome to our design analysis channel, and today we want to make an analysis on this particular design, how the designer was able to achieve this, and let's see most of the successful rules and regulations, and most especially his creativity was very nice. As you can see from here, let's check it out. So from this design here, you can see that this symbol here illustrating a kind of a band. It's very lucrative because it's illustrating something of joy, and on the band you can see family Thanksgiving, which is the theme of the design. It's very standing and it communicates very well. And based on the alignment, as you can see from here, there's a consistent alignment all through. From here, there's a consistent alignment here, and under the time date there have been a little bit color change to differentiate between the actual detail and the information for clear readability. And for this, it's also announcing a kind of a successful wedding anniversary, which means that this ring is also an artifact of which is a very good object to illustrate for your viewers. Then let's clean up. Let me clean this, and then let's see from here, which is the family Thanksgiving. Well, it's clearly lit in. We can give it a go. It's okay. Then I think that's all for now. And then I think the design has an overall credit for its design base, and the picture, we have an excellent picture here, good quality image. They have a very good smile. So this design is very successful and it communicates very well. But if I have any suggestion or comment, you can also drop in the comment section, and about the design, how you want it to be better and what the designer would have done in the first place. I will appreciate. Thank you so much. We'll wait for your comments and we'll see how we can deliberate it. Thank you.